wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. Why, Olivia, why are you wearing an orange crown?
Because we're going to play a game called Who Am I?
But I am Noah. You know that.
No. We're going to pick cards from the pile, and then we're going to put it on our head so you can see who I am, but I don't know who I am. And then I ask questions about it, who I am or what I am, and then I have to guess.
Oh, okay. I think I know how to play this game.
Yeah.
Who should start?
I'll go first, unless you want to go first.
No, let's play paper, scissors, rocks.
Okay.
And fountain.
Oh, fountain. I always get confused with that fountain.
Well, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh no, I got paper and you are going to cut through my paper.
Chop.
I guess it's your turn first.
Okay, I'm gonna pick a card.
Okay, so you have your card on your headband and now it's time to ask me questions and I will say yes or no.
Okay, am I an animal?
No.
Can I be eaten?
No.
Am I alive?
No, not really.
Am I round in shape?
What kind of shape? I didn't hear that.
Round.
Part of it is round, but not really.
Can I? Part of it is round. Can I be worn?
Around your neck you can, but it's not something you would wear like a t-shirt or so. It's more of an accessory.
Am I a necklace?
No.
Oh. This one's hard.
Do you need me to give you a hint?
Yes, I would love a hint, please.
So you can put the end product in a frame.
Am I a picture?
Almost.
Am I a camera?
Yay! You got that right!
Oh, thank you, Noah, for the clue. That was really hard.
That was hard. Now it's my turn.
Okay, it's your turn.
So, now I need to ask the questions and you say yes and no.
Okay, I see what you have.
Could I be a pet?
No.
Am I furniture?
You are not furniture.
Am I a vehicle?
No, I don't think so.
Can I be played with?
Yes, you definitely love to play with you.
Oh, with me. That was probably a good clue that you gave me, but I have to think. Am I a soccer ball?
Close, but no, you are not a soccer ball.
But I'm some sort of ball. Am I some sort of ball?
Yes, you are.
Oh, okay. I'm getting closer. So if I'm not a soccer ball, maybe I'm a football.
Oh, no, you are not a football.
What if I'm a baseball?
Nope, you're not a baseball either.
Well, I think there's only one ball that's left that I'd like to play with. Am I a basketball?
Yes, you are a basketball.
Oh, okay, good. Now it's your turn.
Oh, you got that much quicker than me. Ta-da! What am I? Can you see?
I think I can.
Okay. Am I an animal?
Yes!
Can I fly?
Yes!
Am I a chicken?
No.
Oh. An animal? Am I a bird?
No. You're getting closer though.
Am I an animal? Do I have feathers?
No, not really.
Do I have 4 legs?
No, not really.
What am I? Hold on.
You're cheating! You're cheating! You just looked at the card. I saw you. You're cheating! I'm gonna get my head ring off. That's not nice.
Oh, I cheated. I know I'm a bee now. I shouldn't get a point for that because cheating's bad, but sometimes I can't help myself. I get frustrated and then I just have to know.
Well, you gotta learn to be patient.
Yes, I'm sorry for cheating. Noah, you're a good example. You never cheat.
Wow. Now it's my turn again. Or do you want to go again?
Yeah, let me go again. I know better than to cheat this time.
It's your turn. You ready?
Yes. Am I alive?
No.
Am I furniture?
No.
Can I be worn?
No.
Do we have me in our house?
Yes. Do you need another clue?
Yes.
It's a form of transportation.
Oh, am I a car?
No.
Am I a bus?
No.
Do I have 4 wheels?
No.
I think I know. Am I a bicycle?
Yay! That was well done, Olivia.
I didn't cheat this time.
Good job.
Thank you. Now it's your turn.
It's my turn. Okay, let me get a card. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's see. Okay, I know what you are. You can start guessing now.
Do I have hair?
Nope.
But I'm Noah. I have hair, don't you see?
Nope. Your car doesn't have any hair though.
Oh, okay. Do I have legs?
Nope.
Can I be eaten?
Yes, you can.
What could be? Chocolate?
Nope.
Hot dog.
How about I give you a clue?
Okay.
From this thing that can be eaten comes one of your favorite juices.
I know.
Was that a good clue?
That was a very good clue.
Okay.
Because I love orange juice, so I must have an orange.
Yes, that was right.
Yay! Thanks, Olivia. Okay, so one more time. It's your turn now.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay. Am I an animal?
No.
Not an animal. Okay, so am I something you would find in our house?
Yes.
Can I be worn?
No.
Am I round?
The top of it is round.
The top of it is round.
But let me give you a hint.
Okay.
You will find it in the kitchen.
Top of it. A spoon!
Yay!
Yay!
That was too good of a hint.
That was such a good hint.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
Maybe. Your last card was an orange, and it reminded me of oranges, so I was thinking of oranges.
Okay, so now it's my turn, right?
Yep, it's your turn.
Can I be used to hold water?
Nope.
Can am I stationary?
No, you're not a stationary. I would say I would find you in the kitchen.
Kitchen. You're hungry, you had a spoon, then it must be something edible. Am I a fruit?
You are a fruit. Now you just have to guess which one.
But let me see if I can narrow those down even further. Am I a rectangular shaped fruit?
No, you're not a rectangular shaped fruit.
Am I a triangular fruit?
No, you're not a triangular fruit.
Am I a round shaped fruit?
Yes. You are a round.
Am I an orange juice again?
No.
An orange, I mean.
No, not again. But you're found in the same fruit bowl.
Kids, can you help me out? Scream it to me. I can't hear you.
Oh, so many of them already know. Did you hear?
Say that again?
So many of them already know. I heard the answer out there.
Yeah? A little bit louder for me. I know. I'm an apple.
Yes, you got help from the kids out there.
I did. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching us play the game, and maybe you'll play this too. Let me take off my crown here before I can't see you anymore. So I think that's it for today.
I hope you enjoyed this game, and we'll play a different one with you guys next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.